panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family, credit cards in the scam.
Tip number 1, aim. Aiming is vital in Warzone. If you can't aim, you're lame. Here I am at supermarket, and you're going to see I land some pretty good shots, like that one right there. My aim is pretty good. Maybe, top 2 in the world. I'm not trying to brag. Ooh, did you see that shot? That shot was fuego. But really, you just got to be able to land your shots. If you can't land your shots, you belong to the thoughts. You know what I mean? Oh my goodness, did you see that one? Wow. That was very sugoi, as they say. Tip number 2, use the Titan. I don't see many people doing this in Warzone, and I'm not sure why. All you have to do is press V when your Titan's at 100%. It's very easy, very simple, and I mean, you get the pilot a mech. What more could you want? I don't know why people don't do this. You can buy it from the kill streak kit for like pretty cheap, 5,000. If you're all right at the game, then you should be able to do it. So yeah, that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, build. Again, I'm not sure why people don't do this. You just have to jump and right click. It's pretty simple. And you can even do like crazy cool trick shots like this. So yeah, I don't know why people don't do this more. Tip number 4, use slow motion. I have no idea why people don't use this. It's fun, it's simple, it's easy. All you have to do is press shift and you can go into slow motion. You can get easy shots and even funny things happen. Like, why? It's a win-win. Why would you not do this? Final tip, practice your combos. Guys, if you take one thing away from this video, it doesn't matter if you can aim, it doesn't matter if you can summon your Titan, it doesn't matter if you can build, it doesn't matter if you can use slow motion. If you drop your combos, you're going to lose in Warzone. So make sure you practice and do not drop, because you will not be catching dubs if you can't do your combos in Warzone. And also, if you're a Mishima, practice your wave dashes and your electrics. And yeah, that's about all I have to say. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope these tips help.